Okay, here's a nifty little tip that somebody showed me, and now I've decided to share and show it to you. And it's a quick way to do transcriptions in YouTube for your videos. This will actually help with the SEO of the video. So what you want to do, if you're in YouTube and you're in your Creator Studio, you want to switch over to the Studio Beta. Now that I've switched over to Studio Beta, I'm going to go over to Videos. So here, let's say I want to do this, how to reverse a clip video in DaVinci Resolve. You click on that, and it takes you into the video editor. Click on Transcriptions to the left. And if you have already, because you can, when you upload the video, you can turn on or off if community subscriptions or whatnot. Depending on if you haven't done that already, you can then add. But in this case, I'm going to actually go to this English automatic one, and I'm going to click into it. And you see what it does here is it takes me to this next screen where it's already automatically taken the subtitles from the text. This works best if you've spoken pretty clearly into the video because it's listening to it. So what I'm going to do here is go to Edit, and it's going to give me the option of editing all these subtitles here. But what's nice about it is now I don't have to then type all of this out from scratch. It's already started the process for me, and you can see it's pretty good. So I'm going to hit play for a second. This is going to be real quick and real easy. This is one of those things that once you learn how to do it, you'll never have to worry about learning it again. I'm going to stop it here because I actually don't think there might not be any errors in here, and I don't want to make you guys listen to the whole damn thing. But let's say, for example, we get to this section and there's the text doesn't match what I'm saying. You can just click into it, and notice now I can edit that text however I want. It doesn't add much for apostrophes, that kind of stuff, but it's just straight up text, and you can see it showing on the screen at the same time. Click on that. You can still adjust the, if you wanted to go faster or quick. Notice what it also did is it removed my and those kind of filler words. Oh, here we go. Here's one. So we've got whatnot as one word. Well, let's say I want whatnot as 2 words. Simply do that. That's going to automatically do that in YouTube. So I'm going to publish my edits. So I published the edits. I'm now back to just that initial screen. And notice in the actions, we have this download. So you can actually download the SRT file that you can then go into Premiere Pro or some other video editing software and add that SRT file. This is a cool little trick if you are trying to add captions to something and you don't want to then have to go through and type the whole thing out. So I thought this was pretty cool. When the person showed it to me, I was super excited about it because I don't want to have to retype out everything that I say in a video. Now I can just quickly add the subtitles, watch the video, do quick edits, publish it, and done.